Good afternoon gamers, Skipper here, hope you're enjoying the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Right then guys, today we're talking Commodore 64. Now the system was released when I was born. I'm getting old. It was released in 1982 and it was at some sort of like a convention overseas, like a retro show. I think the founder of it as well, from when I've researched it, it was the maker of the maker you probably know of a lot of your modern games is Apple. So all these modern PCs, your tablets, things like that, the guy, one of the main guys at Apple, brought the Commodore 64 out. I had many fond memories of it. My main ones was Dizzy, fantastic Dizzy. I love Dizzy. I'm trying to think of some of the great ones. I mean Switchblade, it was an amazing game. I'm still trying to find Switchblade on the tape. So yeah, I'm really into the Commodore 64, great system. Now, they did a mini, come out about March 2018, I've never got it. And I've managed to pick one up, a brand new one guys. So we're going to do a bit of an unboxing. First of all, what I'll do is, I'll show you an original advert, so it was like the advertisement of the mini. So it was like a little preview of what the mini was. And then we'll get straight on to unboxing it. We'll have a look how big it is. Just have a look really, brand new in the packet and open, so yeah. We'll have a quick preview guys, then we'll get on to the opening. Cheers guys. So yeah guys, we'll get straight into it, we'll get it up and we'll see what it's like. Do I really want to open it? Probably, yeah. So it's got 64 classics built into it. For me it's not about the emulation, I'm a physical collector, I just like it, it's a novelty. I'll probably never play most of the games, but I'll definitely give it a whirl. So I'll get my famous massive carving knife out. Put a little seal there, seal on that side. I love it when it's brand new. I got this on the marketplace guys. I got a deal, it cost me 25 quid brand new, but I had to get a bundle of stuff. So yeah, that's the box like. Oh, it's like Christmas come at once. Oh, that's cool. Got like a blue box with like the silver and all the colours of the 64. I say I really do love the 64. Oh man, look at that, it's so tiny. That is ace guys, can you see it? Look how tiny that is. Take it off there, look. Oh god, it must be about, I don't know, 7 inches. Just put that in here. Yeah, this is the unboxing, so we've got like a little original controller with the wire, really good. That'll be fun to play. Look at that guys, look how tiny it is. It's like a Switch, it's as big as a Switch. I Obviously it's all novelty, but yeah, that's really cool. It's like, yeah, C64. And it's got like a couple of wires in the boxes. What else have we got in here? So we've got a cool mini guide. We've got the 64. Looks like it's a USB power. Yep. Looks like USB power. So that'll basically plug into your standard mobile phone charger with a 40 USB into there. And then the lead is to a modern TV, which is a HDMI. So yeah, cool little manual. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It is the Commodore 64. If you don't have one, I'd recommend one. The older ones are very, very hard to get hold of and work in good condition. I do have one and it was a nightmare to get hold of. So yeah, great novelty. It'll go nice in the collection, so yeah. Cool little gadget, cool little system, cool little novelty. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Keep on gaming.